What's going on, guys? Stanks House here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I take care of my car and how I wash my car. I'm going to run through and show you guys all the products that I use, from wheel shine, car remover, the soap, some of the sponges I use, brushes I use. If you guys like the video, make sure you subscribe, you hit that thumbs up button if you want to see more, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Peace out. This is the soap I use. This is Armor All Car Wash. It doesn't have any like smell to it or anything. Another one I use is this one right here. This is Black Magic's Wet Shine Car Wash. It kind of has a cherry smell to it, so it'll actually make your whole car smell like cherries. This is a good one. I just bought this one. I'm gonna finish up using the Armor All. I use just a simple sponge. It's kind of got some grooves on here, like a microfiber type sponge. This will help me wash the whole car. So the first thing I always do is I just wet down the car. Kind of rinse the whole car off. This just gets all the loose dirt off that's on top. Products here. This is Rain-X's Bug and Tar, and I always seem to get a lot of bugs and just road stuff on the front of my car. So I'm gonna use this to pre-treat it first, and then I'm gonna use this no scrub wheel cleaner. I'm gonna spray this on first just to kind of break it down a little bit, and then I'll go back and actually wash it. But just a pre-treat, and the Bug and Tar also to pre-treat. So whenever I wash the car, I generally like to go kind of in halves or quarters. I'll do the front half and then kind of this section, and then I'll do this and that, the back side, then I'll do that side, and finish up on the passenger front. So now we're gonna do the ribs. when I do my rims, I do them in a whole other bucket because I don't want whatever's on the car to be on my rims. I'll take this, let's do one, pass around the whole outside of this. Just make sure the big surface has been hit. Go ahead and rinse it off. Get a nice clean rim. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed that video. Remember, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you turn the notifications on for alerts when I post. And stay tuned, because if you guys see, this video might be followed up with this. Maybe, maybe not. Let me know what you guys think. As always, peace out.